last week on Zach's Tech Place. So we're gonna be he has a V1. And now, this week on Zach's Tech Place. Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today, in this video, we are going to take a look at TYP's modified Windows 7 ISO. So this is the version 2 ISO that I have. I sent me back in 2019. It had to be. Oh yeah. Early 2019. So I have my cat in here, so she might be talking. Anyways, I gotta stop the video. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I got a little bit distracted by my cat and yeah. So let's just continue. If you were keeping track of the time, or if you go back from the last clip, you know how late I was gone. Well, how. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue. So basically, he has two versions. He has the version 1 and the version 2. I already took a look at version 1, so I'll leave the link in the description. So, yeah. I'm gonna turn off my fan, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, we're gonna be taking a look at version 2, and I'll put the link to version 1, the video that we took a look at version 1 in the description. And shout out to the Yellow Penguin for making this ISO. I'll leave the link to your channel in the description. So, we're making this. So, yeah, let's take a look. Whoa! Okay, so, I'll give it like 80 gigs, because I think that'll be plenty. I'm pretty sure it's a 32-bit, so I usually just give it another core and 4 gigs of RAM. Now, if it's a 64-bit, I do 4 cores and 8 gigs of RAM. I give it usually for 64-bit. So we'll take a look at your ISO in this video. This other computer I'm working on that I just got recently, which is a Dell Occuplex 760. I may make an eventual video on it of the Windows 10 upgrade, whatever eventually. So, yeah, let's install. So, here we go. In this video, I'm gonna try not to destroy it, but afterwards, I think we'll just it was pretty good. It's just the wallpapers weren't that good, so I just dragged and dropped my own wallpaper from my wallpapers folder. And I think I still actually have it open. No, I don't. Alright. Yeah, it was just on this PC. And if you guys saw for a second, yeah, I have my printer connected via USB. Because yes, I have my own printer now. And it's actually a good printer. I was just using it the other day for my brother to help him. Because I needed to print something out. So, you know. I'm barely using it now that, especially because of all this COVID stuff and especially like work at home and stuff. But now that it's summer out of right now, it's right now July 23rd of 2020. I am recording this. It might be in the future. So when I'm uploading this, or I may not upload this because I don't know why, but I just don't like to edit and upload sometimes, or I just lose the footage because I record so much. But basically, I'm gonna delete all my BMs after this, even though I don't have that much, but like, so I can have a little bit of space back. And I somehow got under a terabyte of space before making all these VMs. Somehow. I don't know doing a terabyte, which is good. But then I'm not using that. I don't know why, but I feel like this one actually is so bigger. Why? I don't know. Maybe my computer's gonna go faster today. I don't know. I really don't. So there's the show Windows 7. If you can't tell, the Windows 7 is still a thing. Because Windows 8 and Windows 10 have like the new Windows logo, with the still button logo, and the spinning dots. So, or if you have a UEFI computer, we'd actually have the manufacturer's logo and we'd do the spinning balls. So, the spinning dots, whatever you want to call it. On some of these computers, it will actually have the basic display adapter with the Aero capability without even the video driver. It'll actually support Aero with a very light resolution, which is pretty cool. I have two Dell Inspiron 1545 computers, and they actually do that. They actually accept Aero without the driver, and they actually go to the right resolution of the display. Same with my Dell Optiplex. I used to have an HP computer with the graphics card actually supported the Aero driver, and it actually supported it too. I may do a Windows 7 installation so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. You guys may know what I'm talking about, but for some of you that don't, I'll just make a video about it on installing Windows 7 on a computer without installing drivers. Just show basic drivers. Because on a VM, usually on most VMs there isn't any. So here we go. Better wallpaper. TYP. I did it the same, I think. Huh, they didn't last for a time. Interesting. There's a wallpaper. Cool. Pretty cool. I feel like that wallpaper. Kind of cool. I think I actually might have that wallpaper in my wallpaper. I think it's just the blue one. Otherwise, I actually like it. taking so long. Prepare the desk. I have a water bottle with me, and I was drinking some water already. So, yeah. The water out of my refrigerator, and just put it into the fridge. So it kept cool. It was a little cool. Bottle Jeez, how long does it take to clear the gas bottle? It might actually take a little bit. Did a little bit better than the last one. Actually, I somewhat remember this because one Julia's tech class actually took a look at this, but she took it down. I don't know why, but it was a mystery files video. But this, I'm pretty sure this was one of the ISOs of the mystery file. Oh my god, that's actually a lot. What was the rule? It's actually changed to a my modifications that I would do. So, no, I am recording on a 1080p display. I'm using a 1080p display. So, just in case you guys were wondering what kind of display I was using. It actually changes sounds. It's pretty nice. Cool. That's more of an animated. So I think that's it. this I mean, the only thing we kept was the new theme. This one, we didn't add any other ones. I think I like this one. Include some games. Let's just play. But this is just a tutorial. Did you turn on checkboxes? No. I think you did pretty good. It only takes like, let's see, how much did it take off? 8.79 gigs, pretty good. Not bad. I did make this is a 32-bit. And it's still using 3 gigs on it's just saying gigs are really good, which is good. Let me play something just goes to his Twitter. I think that might actually be out of date. It might be, but I don't know. He did pretty good. So, I think that's gonna wrap up for this video. If you have anything more you're gonna show, if you have any other ISOs that you're gonna make and show, please send them. If any of you guys have any ISOs you guys want to send me, go ahead. I'll test it in the DM. So, yeah. But as of right now, I only have TYPs, so let's just shut down. And I'm just gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, put a like, get subscribed, and turn on the bell so you guys know when I upload new videos. And thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.